Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage AI tools with Microsoft step by step clearly. To manage AI tools with Microsoft, start by accessing the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Navigate to the Admin Center from the main dashboard. Select Settings from the left-hand menu. Click on Integrated Apps to view available AI tools. Search for specific AI tools that interest you. Choose the tool you want to manage and click on it. Review the settings and features available for that tool. Adjust permissions for users within your organization as needed. Integrate the AI tool with existing Microsoft applications, if applicable. If required, configure data privacy settings to comply with regulations. Monitor usage analytics to understand how the tool is performing. Schedule regular check-ins to update settings and permissions. Stay informed about new features and updates from Microsoft. Engage with support resources for troubleshooting and best practices. Foster a culture of feedback to improve AI tool utilization. Encourage training sessions for team members on how to use the tools effectively. Assess the impact of AI tools on productivity periodically. Make necessary adjustments based on team feedback and performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.